Hi, this is Bhupinder Tube. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to make another video on WhatsApp. This time I'm making this video because one of my viewers asked me in my previous video, which I shown different symbols in WhatsApp, how the person could modify the settings in WhatsApp so that the sender would not know whether the recipient have read the message, and some other features in privacy that you can change to suit your needs. Also, I want to thank that person for asking this question in the comments below of my previous video, and I always encourage people to ask questions on my videos in the comments so that I could come back and make bespoke videos for my viewers, because this is the difference between YouTube and other platforms. In YouTube, you can communicate with your YouTubers and we can help solve each other's problems. Okay, let's get started. So we go to our WhatsApp, we are in the chat tab, and then we touch the three dots in the side. Here we go to the settings. In the settings, we need to go to account. In the account, we need to go to privacy. How many steps we need to follow to get to here? Okay, once we are here, if you don't want the sender to know whether you have read their message, all you need to do is to turn this off, and now the sender would not be able to know whether you have read their message. They would still know whether you have received the message, but they would not know whether you have sent the message. But this is a double-bladed sword. What does that mean? This means that I also can't see whether the other person have read my message. I will show you this, what I'm trying to say in action, after I've gone through some of the settings in this privacy mode. So this is one of the important things some people ask. Other important things that last seen. So as I've shown you in the other video on different symbols in WhatsApp, you can see when the person was last seen. So if you change this setting, you can put it to nobody so that nobody would know when was the last time you came online. Or same thing you can do with profile photo, whether your contacts could see your profile photo or nobody could see your profile photo. Or the things that you write about yourself, you can give a description about who you are. Do you want everybody to know or you want nobody to know? Here also you can change that. Then lastly, the status. So your status also can be controlled using this place. By default is my contacts, but then you can also change it to different settings, only share with or my contacts except. So whether you want to share with few people or you don't want to share with a few people, or you want to share with all your contacts, this is where you can change that as well. So now that we have changed the read receipts to turn off, what happens? Let's test this. So we go back after we have made the changes, and I select my friend, and you saw I activated the recipient on. And if you see this other phone, the double blue means the person have read my message, obviously. So now if I will write something, let's say test, and click on send, you see it shows the double gray ticks, but that doesn't change to double blue. So this person, when try to read my message, it doesn't tell me whether he has read my message. This is a double blade sword. So that means if other person sends a message as well, double tick, I get a message, I read the message, but it still shows it as two gray ticks, not blue. You're not allowing the other person to know whether you have read or not read the message, but likewise now you would not know whether other people have read your message or no. So the privacy works in two ways, not one way. So in this way, now we would not know whether the other person have read our message, and the other person would not know whether we have read their message. Unfortunately, the other privacy settings don't seem to be working the way they are supposed to be working, but read receipt is working the way we want. What we mean by status, if you go back to your chats and If you go to the status tab, that's your status. If you put anything there, the other person could know about your status, and in the privacy setting you can change that setting. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, as always, please don't forget to ask that in the comments below, and I'll try my best to come back and resolve any of your problems. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.